Hello and welcome to the CSS YouTube channel, right? So in today's video, I'm going to take you through how you can register your courses online through your student portal. So quickly, you go to your web browser, but if you're using, let's say, if you have the AMAP, you can do it straight on the AMAP. For this video, let me just take you through the website for now. So you can just Google KNUST student portal. So student portal KNUST. Right, so you can see you have login to your KNUST student portal. So you click on the first link. All right, so after which you'll be directed here to your academic info manager. As I said, you can do it on your AIM app on your phone, but if you don't have the AIM app yet, you can use the web browser to do it. So you enter your username, you enter your password, then you enter your student ID. After which you click on login. Yes, so you are now into your student portal. You can see we have KNUST student portal. You have to register your courses because you also have to do your biometric, right? And exams officer also said that for the freshers, because you want your groupings early and most of you haven't registered your courses, they cannot group you guys. They don't want to use the number of people that are being admitted. They want to use those who have registered their courses. So please, you have to make sure you register your courses, which is why I'm doing this video. So you can see you have a lot of things here, but let's go straight to the course registration. So you click on course registration and then you proceed. So you can see the steps are here. Compulsory course registration. It is compulsory. Yes. Elective course selections and all that. Come down here and then click proceed to course registration. So proceed to course registration. Right, so you can see I have my courses over here. Financial accounting. Yours will be different, right? So then you click on proceed again. You can see there are no electives, right? So you click on proceed and you quickly click save and print, right? Already I've registered my courses. Okay, I've already registered my courses, but I just follow this procedure and then click on save and print so that you get your course registration slip. Okay, all right, I think some of you guys are submitting it in front of the office at FL4, so I don't know, but if they said you guys should bring it, you can't. When you come to the FL4, there's a box over there for you to put it inside when you print it out. Okay, so please, let's make sure we register our courses and then exam officer will be able to get the grouping starting or the grouping started, yes, so that you guys can know your groups and then you begin your lectures as soon as possible. Also, kindly know that there are a lot of things that you can do, like check your results, your status checker, you also sometimes have to access your lectures and all that. I wouldn't take much of your time. So that's it for the course registration. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section and then we will attend to you. As always, I'm Amas and I'll see you in the next one.